Do you want to achieve financial freedom through YouTube? It's not just a dream anymore, it's a goal that can be achieved with strategic planning and execution. YouTube, the world's largest video sharing platform, offers immense potential for income generation. It's a place where creativity meets opportunity. But how does one tap into this potential? The answer is simple: niches. Niches are specific areas of interest or expertise. They are the cornerstones of successful YouTube channels. By focusing on a particular niche, you can attract a dedicated audience, create targeted content, and establish yourself as an authority in that field. Whether it's tech, finance, fitness, or education, there's a niche for everyone on YouTube. But remember, not all niches are created equal. Some are more profitable than others. The secret of making it big on YouTube lies in choosing the right niche. Let's delve into the high-paying niches that can pave your way to financial freedom. The first high-paying niche that we're going to explore is tech reviews. Now, what exactly are tech reviews? Well, in this fast-paced digital era where new gadgets are launched almost every day, tech reviews have taken the center stage. They are comprehensive analyses of technological products ranging from the latest smartphones, laptops, smartwatches, to even drones and electric cars. The primary purpose of these reviews is to provide potential consumers with an in-depth understanding of a product's features, benefits, and potential drawbacks before they decide to make a purchase. The demand for tech-related content is sky high. Why, you may ask? Well, people don't want to invest their hard-earned money in a product without knowing if it's worth the investment. They rely heavily on these reviews to make informed decisions. And this is exactly where tech companies come in. They are willing to pay hefty amounts for reviews and features of their products, creating a lucrative opportunity for content creators in this niche. But how can one monetize a tech review channel? There are several ways. The most common is through advertising revenue. Every time an advertisement is played on your video, you earn a portion of the income. The more views your video gets, the more money you make. Another highly profitable method is affiliate marketing. This is when you promote a product in your video and provide a link for viewers to purchase it. If someone buys the product through your link, you earn a commission on the sale. Lastly, tech companies often sponsor videos. In this case, you're paid to feature a product in your video. This is typically a flat rate and can be quite substantial depending on the company and the product. In a nutshell, the tech reviews niche is a goldmine for those who are tech-savvy and enjoy sharing their insights. It's not just about making money, it's about helping consumers make informed decisions, which is a rewarding experience in itself. If you're tech-savvy and enjoy sharing your insights, the tech reviews niche could be your gateway to financial freedom. Next on our list is the personal finance niche. In our digital age, financial literacy has become a sought-after skill. More and more people are turning to the internet to help them navigate the complex world of personal finance. And that's where this niche fits perfectly. By creating content around personal finance, you're not only helping others achieve financial freedom, but you're also setting yourself up for a potentially profitable venture. The personal finance niche is a goldmine of opportunities. It's a field where knowledge is power, and power translates into dollars. But how can you monetize this niche? Well, there are several ways. Firstly, sponsored content. Companies that offer financial products or services are always on the lookout to reach potential customers. If your channel has a substantial following, these companies may want to sponsor your content in exchange for exposure to your audience. Next, consultations. As your credibility in the personal finance niche grows, so does the demand for your expertise. You can offer one-on-one consultations, providing personalized financial advice to those who need it. Courses are another way to monetize your knowledge. By creating and selling online courses, you can provide in-depth knowledge on specific financial topics. This not only helps your audience, but also provides you with a steady stream of income. Last but not least, ad revenue. As with any YouTube niche, the more views and subscribers you have, the more ad revenue you can potentially earn. In essence, the personal finance niche is all about sharing knowledge, helping others, and earning money in the process. It's a win-win. But remember, to succeed in this niche, you need to have a solid understanding of financial concepts, a passion for helping others, and the ability to communicate complex ideas in a way that's easy to understand. If you have a knack for numbers and an understanding of finance, this niche could help you cash in on your knowledge. The third high-paying niche that we're going to delve into is fitness and wellness. Yes, you heard it right, folks. In an era where people are becoming increasingly conscious about their health and well-being, this niche is gaining substantial momentum. Now you might be wondering, how does one monetize the fitness and wellness niche on YouTube? Well, there are several avenues. One of the most lucrative ways is through sponsored content. Companies in the fitness and wellness industry are always on the lookout for influencers who can promote their products and services to a wider audience. This could be anything from fitness equipment to health supplements, wellness apps, and so much more. Another excellent method to generate income is by creating and selling your own workout plans. If you're a certified trainer or have a solid understanding of fitness and wellness, you can create tailored workout plans for different fitness goals. People are always willing to pay for personalized advice that can help them achieve their health goals. Next up, we have product reviews. Just like in the tech niche, fitness and wellness products also require reviews. From workout equipment to wellness gadgets, supplements, and even gymwear, there's a vast array of products you can review. Not only does this provide valuable content for your viewers, but it also opens up opportunities for affiliate marketing. And let's not forget the good old ad revenue. YouTube's ad revenue can be a significant source of income, especially if your content consistently attracts a large number of views. High-quality, engaging content in the fitness and wellness niche can easily do this. Imagine sharing your passion for health and fitness while also earning a substantial income. Sounds like a dream, right? Well, it's a dream that can become a reality with the right approach and dedication. So, if you've been contemplating starting a YouTube channel and you're passionate about health and fitness, this could be the niche to monetize your passion. It's all about turning what you love into a sustainable source of income, and the fitness and wellness niche on YouTube provides an excellent platform to do just that. Scene script. Last but not the least, let's talk about the online education niche. In the digital age, the world is your classroom and your computer is your teacher. Online learning has seen a meteoric rise, becoming a mainstay in our educational landscape. It's no surprise then that this niche has found a thriving home on YouTube. What makes online education so attractive? The answer lies in its versatility and accessibility. You can learn anything, from coding to cooking, from the comfort of your own home, and YouTube, with its vast user base and ease of use, is the perfect platform for this exchange of knowledge. The demand for educational content on YouTube is immense. People are constantly seeking to expand their horizons, learn new skills, or simply feed their curiosity. And this thirst for knowledge gives rise to a myriad of opportunities for creators in the online education niche. How does this translate into a potential high-paying niche? Let's break it down. Firstly, course sales. If you have expertise in a certain field, you can create comprehensive courses and sell them directly to your viewers. This not only provides value to your audience but also generates a steady income stream. Secondly, sponsored content. Companies related to your field of expertise are often willing to sponsor educational content. This could be a tech company sponsoring a coding tutorial, or a cooking utensil brand sponsoring a cooking class. The possibilities are endless. Lastly, ad revenue. With engaging and informative content, you can amass a large viewership. More views mean more ad impressions, leading to higher ad revenue. So, if you have a skill or a subject matter expertise, the online education niche could be your ticket to financial freedom. Whether you're a math whiz, a language expert, or a culinary maestro, there's a place for you in this niche. If you have a skill or subject matter expertise, the online education niche could be your ticket to financial freedom. We have explored 4 high-paying niches that can help you achieve financial freedom through YouTube. Let's jog our memories a bit. We started with tech reviews, a booming niche with an enormous audience hungry for the latest gadgets and tech trends. Next, we dove into personal finance, a topic that never loses relevance as people are always seeking ways to manage their money better. We then moved on to fitness and wellness, a niche that has gained massive traction because, let's face it, who doesn't want to live a healthier and happier life? Finally, we touched on online education, a rapidly growing field as more and more people turn to the internet for learning. The key takeaway is to choose a niche that aligns with your passion and expertise. This way, your content will not only be authentic, but you'll also enjoy the process of creating it. Remember, the road to financial freedom on YouTube starts with choosing the right niche. Choose wisely and start your journey today.